If you're looking for information on the Uspacy Lifetime Deal and Review, you've come to the right place. The Uspacy Lifetime Deal was launched on Appsumo with a significant discount, and in this video, we'll share all the details of the deal. We'll cover what the lifetime deal entails, what features are included, and whether or not we think it's worth taking advantage of. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to know about the Uspacy Lifetime Deal so that you can make an informed decision about whether or not it's right for you. Communication, collaboration, and CRM, all in one. Manage tasks, messages, and your CRM using one digital workspace and mobile app. Uspacy is an innovative online platform that provides a centralized workspace for efficiently managing crucial organizational processes and achieving desired outcomes. The convenience and importance of modern team communications, human interaction, task management, and CRM are demonstrated by a comprehensive Uspacy platform. It provides all the essential tools in a single product. Our aim with Uspacy is to promote an entrepreneurial mindset by providing contemporary tools that enhance productivity. Our goal is to assist businesses across various industries in streamlining their operations and benefiting all members of their workforce, including salespeople and executives. Uspacy simplifies team collaboration by providing a unified workspace, regardless of the size of your workforce. Engage in conversations with colleagues through chat, participate in specific interest groups, and effortlessly delegate tasks by assigning designated roles. Our product adheres to the strictest European legislation, the GDPR, ensuring that the data you provide is collected, processed, and stored with utmost care for your privacy and peace of mind. Uspacy is an all-in-one digital workspace for team communication, project management, and CRM. It allows you to assign tasks with files and descriptions, set due dates, and sort them by stages or category. You can create subtasks and use smart filters to find what you need instantly. The CRM lets you organize client information, create activities with links to meetings, and track leads using lead boards. Uspacy's mobile app enables you to chat, send photos, and share documents with your team, as well as manage employees and company structure. With Uspacy, you'll have everything you need to run your business in easy mode. Alert! Most deals are out of stock within a week of coming to Appsumo, so take it now if you need it. Why are you let? Get lifetime access to Uspacy today. One-time purchase of $59 only. 60-day money-back guarantee. Try it out for 2 months to make sure it's right for you.